Since it first appeared, the aviation industry has evolved from the simple flying machines to the most sophisticated spaceships. All types of airplanes, passengers, cargo, military, small and large, today cross the world's skies thanks to technological advances contained in each of their components. Presently, this entire aerospace technology has landed in Sonora, where 1 out of every 3 companies that manufacture parts for this industry in our country has decided to settle in this region. Sonora is a state in northwestern Mexico, bordering the United States, which is accessible via highways, railroad, international and cargo airports, and from the Pacific Ocean by means of a seaport.
Proximity-wise, it's, the closest state to the southwest United States, which does have a lot of aerospace businesses in particular.
As far as the infrastructure here in Mexico, it's just as good as the U.S. when it comes to communication lines and getting supplies.
Estás hablando que en 4 horas ya estás en Estados Unidos, ¿verdad? Por carretera. Tenemos una carretera de 4 carriles.
Aerospace companies that settled in the state since about a decade ago are witnesses of the high-quality workmanship of Sonoran labor, as well as of the level of efficiency attained in the industrial processes for the manufacture of all component types.
Aprenden muy rápidamente y yo creo que eso ha ayudado, en el caso de la industria aeroespacial, a que compañías muy rápidamente encuentren que esta es una área para instalarse.
Their ability to be trained is comparable or even exceeds sometimes what we see in the United States.
We've been very pleased with the labor force. Much as we can say is other companies have come into Mexico and done a very decent job of training the labor force, and it's made our startup go very well because we have people who are experienced in using the type of machinery that we do.
We can hire people who are very willing to learn, who have a very good work ethic, and will develop into machine operators of the skill level that we need.
Estamos a nivel de clase mundial. Tan es así que ahora primero fueron productos de consumo doméstico, después productos de consumo automotriz. Ahora estamos en la época de productos para equipo médico y aeroespacial.
Furthermore, Sonora provides all types of benefits such as fiscal incentives, a strong infrastructure, and expeditiousness in governmental formalities for industries to set up and develop their plants.
The state of Sonora provides for all of our needs. In fact, in some respects, such as your power, is actually better than our power in the States. We've had less interruption here, and we find the cellular service, the internet service has been very good.
The state of Sonora has been very helpful in helping us start our organization.
For a lot of reasons it made sense to us to be here, and particularly in Guaymas within the state of Sonora.
Hay una alta probabilidad de éxito al que se decide trabajar en la industria de la manufactura en la región y en el estado.
Sonora is a safe state, not only for industry, but also for people who live or who come to work here.
Never felt threatened any way, shape, or form in the 18 months I've been here, so I see no problem. Now, I understand there's parts of town I shouldn't be in, but that's true of every city, even in America.
The people have been friendly and courteous, and we have never felt threatened at all.
I have a wife and 2-year-old and a 7-year-old dog here in Sonora with us, and we've been very comfortable, and we enjoy living here so far.
The area offers an excellent labor environment and a quality of life that enables investors and their families to live comfortably. Sonora is a state that combines the ocean, the desert, and beautiful mountain landscapes.
It's easy to say that it's quite a bit nicer down here in Sonora. However, the people are very friendly. We find this to be a very good place to be.
We've found Mexico to be a very comfortable place to live, and very similar to the U.S.
Sí hay un nivel de vida que les puede satisfacer a los inversionistas extranjeros, incluso como para radicar un tiempo.
It's pleasant, it's relaxed, it's very comfortable. The people are warm and friendly. My wife and I have settled in very quickly, very easily, and we are very happy to be here.
En el área de Guaymas, en el área de Hermosillo, que son con los que yo tengo familiaridad, sería muy semejante, si no casi igual a cualquier ciudad de tamaño medio en Estados Unidos.
Due to all of this, the most important aerospace companies have selected Sonora as the site in which to manufacture from the simplest cables to advanced components for military aircraft.
Oh yes, I think other companies definitely should look at the opportunity of coming to Mexico.
Los tiempos nos están diciendo que vamos de acuerdo a lo proyectado.
I think that you're going to see an awful lot of aerospace manufacturing being done in Sonora.
It's been very good for our business as well as the surrounding businesses, and we see more and more aerospace companies coming to this area.
Take advantage of all we can offer to your company. In Sonora, the aerospace industry takes off to new heights.